Okay, I'm going to do my best here to show you guys how to download Ubuntu Mate and get it installed on a boot drive and get it ready to put on your machine. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Ubuntu Mate site here. There's a link in the doc. And go to the downloads page, and then you're going to go to the 64-bit PC Max is what you're likely going to need. So you just click on that, and then you get a few other options here. You're going to want to take the one that's the most stable. So that's going to be, looks like this one right here, Focal Fossa, recommended for stability in mission critical systems. So that's, I think, going to be us here. And LTS just stands for, I think it's a long-term service. So they're going to make sure they maintain the version of it. So you want to click on that, and then you want to download directly would probably be fine, unless, of course, you know how to use BitTorrent or Magnet Links, and you can do it that way. So you just click on that, and it's going to open up a browser. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to close it. You can just save it to wherever you want. The next thing you need to do is you need to go get something called Rufus. So I've got the link in the doc there. Rufus is what's going to allow you to make a bootable USB. So you can just put it into the side of your machine and then boot from that and install Ubuntu Mate. So make sure you go download that right here. Just Rufus 3.17 seems to be the latest one. Just download it and install it. And when you get it set up, it's just a small little program that looks like what you can see right here. Okay, I've actually got it installed, and you can see that it looks just like that right there. Okay, there's mine. Okay, so we're going to pull this up here now. I've got Rufus installed. I've got Ubuntu Mate downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you got to select your device, which is going to be, well, it's drive E, which is a 32 gigabyte USB drive that I'm using right now. I've actually just uninstalled Mate on the USB drive. I formatted it, and I'm doing it again here just for the tutorial. So you just want to click on the USB drive you want to use, and then it says boot selection. Select. Okay, so just click on select there, and now you need to find the copy of Ubuntu Mate that you just downloaded. So click on that. It's an ISO image, which means it's a disk image. And then we're going to open that, and then we're just going to make sure we select the partition scheme. It's just going to stay at MBR. Target systems BIOS, that's fine. You can label it here if you want. I like to label things without spaces. So I'm just going to take those out, put those in there like that. The file system, we want to make sure that's set to NTFS, just like this, all right? Then it says ready, everything looks good. Let's see what errors we get here, if we get any. Okay, ISO hybrid image detected. Can be written either in ISO or in DD image mode. Okay, so we'll just do the recommended that they're saying here. So that's fine, right, in ISO image mode. Click OK. And all data is going to be erased. We know that. OK. And here we go. So we're just going to wait, and we're going to let it go right now. And I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, so you can see here that looks like the installation seems to be finished. Goes back to the status being ready, so we can just close Rufus, and we'll just eject our USB here, and we'll get ready to install it on our machine. I'm not going to be able to show you how to install it because once I'm doing that, while I'm doing that, I don't have access to this recording program. So I'm just going to leave some install notes as I go through it to try to help you get through the installation. So good luck, and see you on the other side.